How to customize AI-generated content in Polybuzz.ai. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your post. Scroll through your previously created post or AI characters and find the one you want to customize. Tap the three-dot menu next to the post and select Edit. Here you can make changes to your content, including avatar appearance, profile details, and voice settings. Adjust the avatar style, background, or prompts to refine your character. Update the name, gender, greeting, dialect style, or tags to personalize the interaction. You can also change the voice of your AI character to match the tone you want. Once you have made all your desired edits, tap Save or Update to apply the changes. This allows you to customize your AI-generated content and make it unique or more suitable for your audience. Now you know how to customize AI-generated content in Polybuzz.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.